Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is a special weather statement. For the following counties in Ohio: Dark, Mercer and Preble, and the following counties in Indiana: Fayette, Union and Wayne. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 8 p.m.
Weather watch.
This watch includes the following counties: Hamilton, Kentucky. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. International Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 68 degrees. The dew point 67. Here